Based on the demand communicated by the drone industry, there are 4 ways how telecom providers can engage in this new business. 1. Doing nothing, a missed opportunity. Choosing not to engage with the UAS market would mean foregoing a rapidly growing opportunity. Drone services are expanding across numerous industries, from logistics to public safety. MNOs are recognized as key enablers for scaling these operations due to the need for reliable network services. Failing to act could leave MNOs sidelined as drones increasingly play a central role in commercial and industrial operations. 2. Infrastructure as a service, IaaS. A straightforward entry point for MNOs is by offering essential connectivity services, such as providing SIM cards, reliable data communication for UAS operations, and additional information services such as airspace connectivity, ground risks, and satellite-independent position data. These infrastructure as a services offerings enable crucial command and control, C2 communications for UAS, and supports other critical functionalities, like real-time video streaming or telemetry data. 3. Platform as a service, PaaS. In addition to providing infrastructure as a service, MNOs can elevate their offerings by integrating solutions that support end-to-end UAS operations. This includes real-time data processing, application services, project management, flight control, and sensor data post-processing that can be delivered as a platform as a service to clients. 4. End-to-end solutions. A more comprehensive role for MNOs involves offering end-to-end solutions that encompass every aspect of the UAS ecosystem, from connectivity and platforms to airspace integration, regulatory compliance, and drone operations. They can support automated drone flights as a service for already existing enterprise clients, and can offer drone-as-a-service applications for industrial and public safety purposes, for instance. This enables end customers to benefit from automated beyond visual line of sight drone services in an end-to-end manner from a single go-to partner.